Hi, and welcome back to class of Product Development and Entrepreneurship. I am Hitesh Raiyani, Assistant Professor at LJ Institute of Engineering and Technology. This is lecture 27, Marketing Plan. So learning outcomes of these lectures is to learn marketing research for the new ventures and the step in preparations of marketing plan. So this is the learning outcomes of these lectures. So we start our lectures with marketing research for the new ventures. So before learning or before we going for the marketing plan for the new ventures, we must have to review regarding the marketing condition. So before developing the marketing plan, we have to do the marketing research. Now question is, what is marketing research and how to do the marketing research? So let's see the how to do the marketing research and what is marketing research for the new ventures. So when you developing the marketing plans, the informations which is collecting for the marketing plans, that is nothing but the marketing research. So marketing research is nothing but the collections of informations which is needed for the developing the marketing plan. So question is what, how to gathering the information or how to gathering the data which is used in developing marketing plans. As we know that marketing research is nothing but the collections or collecting the informations which is used for the developing or marketing plan, and it is must consider it before developing of marketing plan. So marketing research involves the gathering of the data to determine such informations as who will buy the product or service. So as per your business, you have to search in marketing research who will buy the product or service, or what is the size of potential market. So or how much the size of your potential market according to your products, what is the price should be charged, and what is the most appropriate distribution channel. Ultimately your product have to distribute, and to reach the market you have to make the distributed channel. So there will be analyzed in marketing research that what is the most appropriate distribution channel for your products. And next information you collect in marketing research is what is the most effective promotion strategies to inform and reach the potential customer. So which is the strategies you have to consider to reach the potential customer. So this all the information is collected in marketing research, and this information is used to developing the marketing plan. Now you all know that marketing plan, to develop the marketing plans you have to do the marketing research, and marketing research is nothing but the gathering of the data which is used or which is needed for the developing of marketing plan. So now question is what, how to do the marketing research, how to collecting the data which is you needed for the marketing plan. So the question is how to do the marketing research for the new ventures. So there are the next topic is the marketing research for the new ventures. So ultimately the marketing research aim is to collecting the data which is needed for the marketing plan. So first step of marketing research start with the definitions of purpose or objectives. So whenever you have to do the any research, you have to first identify or define the what is your purpose and or objectives. So in marketing research also the first step is the defining the purpose or objectives. So marketing research being with the definitions of objectives or purpose, and there are the most effective ways to for that to be is to make a list of information that will be needed to prepare the marketing plan. So to collect the information, which type of information you have to require, you have to make the list of information which is needed for the developing of marketing plan. So after defining the purpose or objectives, the next step in marketing research is nothing but the gathering data from secondary source. Secondary source, you have to collect the data as you make the list of information needed in first step. So in second steps, you have to gathering the data from the secondary source. Secondary source like gathering the information for the industries analysis selections or industries analysis sections of the business plan. The internet can even be used to gather the information like primary data. So there are the two types of data, primary data and commercial data. So to gathering the data, you have to use both primaries and commercial data. But there are the first priority given to collect the primary data from the internet so that you can not have too much expense to get the collecting data. So here you have to use the internet to gathering the informal primary data, and commercial data may be also available, but for that the cost may be expensive to the entrepreneur, because as the entrepreneur starts the new business, and there must be the cost optimization. So whenever you collecting the data, first you have to try what are the free source available to collecting the data, and then you have to go for the commercial data. So third step is gathering information from primary source. So primary source, in primary source, like gathering the primary data involves a data collection process. So here to gathering the primary data, a data collection procedure is used such as the observations, networking, interviews, focus groups, or experimentations, and usually a data collection instrument such as the questionnaires. So here the data collections processes such as interviews, focus group, questionnaires, all this method is used to gathering the primary data. Now in first steps you make the list of informations which is needed for the marketing plan. Second and third steps you collect the data from primary source and secondary source. Now you have information which is needed for the developing of marketing plan. So in four steps, next is the analyzing and interpreting the results. So whatever the you collected the data, that data have to analyze and interpret the result. So in four steps, depending on the size of the samples, the entrepreneur can handle, tabulate the result or enter them on a computer. So either you can use the computers or you can simply analyze by the hand tabulate format. So whatever your choice, you can choose according to the size of samples. And the results should be evaluated and interpreted in response to the research objectives. So in this stage you have to keep in mind the research objectives, and according to the research objectives the evaluations of the result is done. So evaluations and interpreted of the data is done with respect to the research objectives, and then data can be cross-tabulated to provide the more focused result. So this is the four steps in which you can go for the marketing research. So now you all know that what is marketing research, which are the informations collected from the marketing research, and how to do the marketing research for the new ventures. Now next step is to develop the marketing plan. So how to develop the marketing plan? Now you all know the information which is needed to developing the marketing plan. Now next step is which are the steps in preparing the marketing plans. How to make the marketing plans or how to prepare the marketing plan. So here I shows the flowchart or it shows the step in preparing the marketing plan. So in this flowchart, each of these stages when completed will provide the necessary information to formally prepare the marketing plan. So here the marketing plan, preparations of marketing plan start with the critical examines present and prospective product and market situation. So what is the current market situations and products that is considered in the first step in preparing the marketing plan. After that, second step is take into account company goals and restraint. So what is the company, what are the company's goals is considered, and according to the what are the limitations of companies that you have to consider to developing the marketing plan. After that, the set marketing objectives. So what are the marketing objectives that you have to set, and then determine the marketing strategies and prepare the action program with assigned responsibilities and dates for the accomplishment. So you have to determine the marketing strategies and prepare the actions programs, and after that re-evaluate the programs signed off by the against the objectives. So whatever the your programs that is re-evaluated against the objectives. What is your objective? That is their objective is fulfilled by the programs or not? That have to check from the re-evaluation. So you can see that in flowchart there are the two options. If objectives not attainable, so then you have to go for the step 3, and if objectives is attainable, so whatever the during the re-evaluations programs against the objectives, if your result is objectives attainable, then you have to go for the next level of stage, that is nothing but the draft marketing plan. So you have to draft the marketing plan with the step to monitor progress of program. And the next is the match feasibilities of programs against available resources or restraint. So you have to after drafting the marketing plans, you have to check whether these programs or marketing plan is met the feasibilities against the resources available. So you have to check, and then if not feasible, then you have to go for the step 2, and if it is feasible, then you have to go for the next level, and that is nothing but the submit marketing plan for the approval. So this is the final marketing plans and which is submit for the approval. So this is the ways on which you can develop the marketing plan. So in these lectures, we first learned the marketing research for the new venture, and then we learned how to do the marketing research and how to prepare the marketing plan. In our next lectures, we will learn the organization's plan. Thank you.